Building credit with rent payments is a great way to establish or improve your credit score, especially if you are a tenant. Historically, rent payments were not considered when calculating credit scores, but this has changed in recent years. Now, you can get credit for paying rent on time, which can help you qualify for better loan rates and terms. To build credit with rent payments, you need to report your payments to the credit bureaus. There are several ways to do this, including working with your landlord, using a third-party service, or through your property management company. Some landlords and property managers already report rent payments to the credit bureaus, so it is essential to ask if they offer this service. If your landlord or property manager does not report rent payments, you can use a third-party service to report your payments. These services typically charge a small fee, but they can help you build credit by reporting your on-time payments to the credit bureaus. Some popular services include Renttrack, Pay Your Rent, and eCreditable. When choosing a third-party service, make sure to research and compare fees and services. Look for a service that reports to all three major credit bureaus, including Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Also, check if the service offers additional features, such as credit monitoring and alerts. To get started, you will typically need to provide some basic information, including your rental agreement, payment history, and identification. The third-party service will then verify your information and begin reporting your payments to the credit bureaus. Building credit with rent payments takes time, so it is essential to be patient and consistent. Make sure to pay your rent on time, every time, as late payments can negatively affect your credit score. Also, keep in mind that not all credit scoring models consider rent payments, so it may take some time to see the impact on your credit score. In addition to building credit, reporting rent payments can also help you qualify for better loan rates and terms by demonstrating a history of on-time payments. You can show lenders that you are a responsible borrower, which can lead to lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. In summary, building credit with rent payments is a great way to establish or improve your credit score. By working with your landlord, using a third-party service, or through your property management company, you can report your payments to the credit bureaus and start building credit. Remember to research and compare services, provide accurate information, and make on-time payments to get the most out of this opportunity.